I'll tell you how we got to this point right here. So yesterday I actually triple cored this wing, and then I removed the foam in the bays, added cap strips and little bracing here to keep the sponginess out of the ribs, give the ribs a little crush resistance there, and it doesn't take much. So there's a triple core, and obviously you can tell from the top view here that you know where I removed the foam. So yesterday this wing here was in this state, and I added the sheeting here, and originally it was going to come right to here, but I thought I'd bring it out to this rib here at an angle. So yesterday this wing that had the sheeting at the root and the tip was 159 grams. Now the reason behind this whole thing is to not give you more aggravation and work, which sometimes it does. But the whole idea behind this type of wing was to get 7 to 8 pound wood a little bit thinner and still hit the mark. Now I'm probably still a little fat per panel, maybe 15 grams. But I'm getting in the ballpark here with this kind of wood and this construction. I think it's still going to be a competitive plane. So 159 grams at this state. Once I triple cored this wing, it went to 109.5 grams. So yeah, just basically 50 grams came out of this wing on these 3 cores. So this is what was removed, and this is a traditional coring process. It's not my idea, it's been around a while. And there's a guy, I don't know if you know him or not, it's Bob Hunt. So Bob was the one that pioneered this foam wing stuff. And he was at the leading edge and still is today on foam wings. And I like to duplicate a lot of the things he does, and then I sort of throw my twist in it. Now I'm sure this has been done before. It's hard to do anything in this hobby, it's new. But anyway, this is my twist. 50 grams triple cord, and then once I knocked out all the foam here, which came out pretty easy as you'll see, it went to 85 grams. And then I put the cap strips on and these little braces here, and it went from 85 to 86.5. So I gained 1.5 grams with these cap strips and this brace. Now I think one of the things, this is the inboard wing, one of the things I need to do is probably get some of this spar out of here right at the tip. So I'm going to enlarge this opening here, open it up, and I need to have some room for the lead outs to adjust. This spar is set up so it's right in the middle of where the lead out should come out according to plan view. But then I'm going to take it back up in here, so that way it'll give me more adjustability. And I think the original design with an I-beam, it might have had an opening right here or somewhere up in here, but I remember the plan view spar was a little bit farther forward. So this is a USA 1 wing. It's been enlarged 1/4 inch thicker, 3/16 to 1/4 root and tip. The cord's the same, and I moved the spar back here to the high point. And then just a quick rundown what you're looking at here. It's a USA 1 by Billy Warwood. This is a plan at one time Warren T-Hart sold. Willie Warwidge, this is plan number 8. He signed it, USA 1. Designed and drawn by Bill Warwidge, traced and inked by Warren T-Hart. And Warren's been instrumental in the hobby behind the scenes for many years, and he's a heck of a craftsman. So here's a look at the jet style. What I wanted to do with this airplane is maintain the jet look. And in order to do that, of course, the canopy pretty much has to stay up front. And I'm contemplating electric on this, pretty serious. And this design lends itself really well to an electric airplane. Reason being, with electric you need access to the battery. And if you have a normal airplane where the canopy sits back here at the trailing edge of the wing, you still need a hatch up here. So with this canopy being here, this is going to be my hatch. It'll be really easy to disguise a hatch if I work it in with these ink lines and this canopy. So my thinking is the canopy's coming off, and this is all going to be a composite laid up carbon fiber fiberglass fuselage. Haven't finalized it yet. So it's not going to be traditionally built up balsa wood. The hatch will be the canopy. It'll be removed. Be no wing gear, it'll be fuse gear. And of course I'll maintain the look here. And I was thinking about the tail, maybe tweaking it a little bit. So it's going to maintain the wing tips on the stab and the wing, the nose, but I'll modify a little bit in the tail, put my flavor or twist to it. So it's not going to be dead accurate USA 1 as drawn.